Across the cycle lane is because they know the cyclist will stop and that it won't hurt their car if there ends up being a collision. Hi, some emails. You're driving, the engine's running, you've got a seat belt and the keys are in the ignition. Carry on.
Yeah, that's one. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
After you. On his phone. WP70EZK, a silver Ford Transit. And now we go wide.
Watch where you're going.
Watch where I'm going. I'm watching very well, thank you. Because